Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, Diesel and Grease. Like and subscribe. Make sure you get this notifications on. I just went and picked up all this stuff for free from a local buddy from here. Air compressor, I don't know if it works or not. It looks homemade. Got Craftsman toolbox, tools, more tools, barbecue. I got the top right there and a smoker. And right now what I'm working on is I got two bad of these moving dollies, so I'm gonna make one good one out of both, and whatever I don't use I'll just keep as spare stuff. I have a couple other in there, some other stuff I gotta get done today. So you're gonna need a 10 mil for these moving dollies. Oh, mine's 10 and they're just loose basically. So I'm gonna take these off. This is this side, or this board right here, is the bad one. This one has a good one right here. That's broke, and that's broke there. So that's what I'm gonna work on right this second. Not too hard to do. All right, I got the screws off. I take this off. I got two of those off so far, and now I just gotta pry them up. It's probably gonna be hard for a second, because they got staples in them. So that's what I'm gonna work on. I gotta get this one on, or this side and this side, and just pull them up basically. Then we'll go from there. Alright guys, just gotta do the same thing. Take these wheels off, but I'm gonna take all the wheels off this one. Then, keep this piece, then junk the rest of that. And I got scrap wood right there for my fireplace. I'm gonna use the burn this week coming up. It's gonna be cold here in Florida. It's gonna be like, they're showing for the most of the weekdays in the morning, like overnight in the morning. It's gonna be about mid-30s here, and the high is gonna be like low 60s, mid 60s in the daytime, but only gonna run it towards the nighttime so the house stays warm, All right guys, got the new piece off from the old one, and I'm gonna just set this on here, like you know how it goes. Make sure the studs get lined up. I just gotta make sure everything's lined up, but then that's all. Then I'll show you guys when it's done. All right guys, one complete board. Not perfect, but hey, it's gonna work for what I need. Moves around, rolls around. There we go, another one done. All right, guys, forgot to end scene. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Put the notifications on for new episodes coming out, videos, whatever I post. Just keep up to date with us. Thank you, guys.